Almonds and Vitamin E will make you a 16-year-old girl, no matter your age. First, grab a handful of almond seeds. These little powerhouses are loaded with vitamin E, which is fantastic for hydrating your skin and improving elasticity. Now, we want to prepare our almonds, so let's grate them into a container. This will help release all those nourishing oils. Let me know which city you're watching this video from, and I'll give you a shout-out in my next upload. Today's shout-out goes to DC from Wisconsin. Thank you for watching every single video we post. Next up, we're going to add a few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is renowned for its skin-repairing properties and its ability to protect your skin from free radicals, which can cause premature aging. Together, almond oil and vitamin E create the ultimate blend for moisturizing and restoring your skin's natural glow. This is your homemade anti-aging serum, and it's super easy to make. To use it, simply apply a few of the serum to your face and neck at night, right before bed. Gently massage it into your skin, focusing on areas where fine lines tend to appear. With regular use, you'll start to notice smoother and more hydrated skin.